Challenged with continually meeting our nation's needs, the U.S. Army Engineer Research and Development Center's then Geotechnical Laboratory and former Structures Laboratory merged in the year 2000 to form the ERDIC's Geotechnical and Structures Laboratory, better known as GSL. At the time of the merger, Michael J. O'Connor was named GSL's first director in October 2000 and served as director until May 2003. At that time, the laboratory boasted 360 personnel with two major divisions. Following O'Connor as director was his deputy and longtime Pavements Division Chief, David W. Pittman. Pittman served as director until 2015, when Bartley P. Durst, chief of the Geotechnical and Structures Division and senior scientific technical manager for the ERDIC, was named and continues to serve as director of GSL, which has grown to more than 440 employees.
Over the past 2 decades, and during times of great crisis, GSL has greatly impacted the lives of many while leaving a tradition of excellence across the globe. Early on, GSL faced great challenges brought on by terrorist attacks against our nation. On September 11, 2001, during the worst terrorist attack on our nation's soil since Pearl Harbor, ERDIC anti-terrorism technology that was being built into the walls of the Pentagon was credited with saving hundreds of lives of soldiers and civilians on that fateful morning. During the Iraq and Afghanistan wars that followed, many ERDIC personnel deployed to support that military mission and to deploy technologies developed by GSL to support the warfighter mission, particularly in improvised explosive device detection and defeat, rapid mapping and surveillance techniques, overhead cover and force protection, operational energy technologies, and rapid environmental assessment technologies. These technologies no doubt saved thousands of lives and improved the safety and security of thousands of soldiers and civilians in theater, and continue to do so to this very day.
GSL's research capabilities were again tested by Hurricane Katrina, one of the worst natural disasters in our nation's history. Throughout these major events and countless others, GSL built quality, multidisciplinary teams which continue to discover, develop, and deliver engineering solutions for the world's most complex problems. GSL proudly continues to provide our nation's soldiers with cutting-edge solutions. Work in force protection technologies helps defend our soldiers and our national security. The GSL team continues to build upon the blast and weapons effects expertise it has developed over more than 75 years since World War II. Today we provide the warfighter with protective systems to combat severe threats, improve the survivability of fixed facilities and critical assets, and save countless lives.
Requests from soldiers for protective structures in areas with limited resources led to GSL's modular protective systems. This includes walls, mortar pits, guard towers, and overhead cover kits that include armored panels to provide protection from blast threats. Each of the structures can be rapidly transported and assembled and require no special tools for construction by soldiers on the move. And the researchers continue to look for new ways to protect against advancing threats and evolving operational environments. Research in weapons effects on structures and other military operations in urban terrain, or MOUT, along with other classified work, continues to positively impact the warfighter. GSL's work also enables power projection and freedom of maneuver for U.S. forces as they move around the world. GSL researchers developed models to test unmanned ground vehicles and autonomous navigation systems. This led to the development of the Virtual Autonomous Navigation Environment computational testbed that integrated environmental, terrain, vehicle, and sensor models. GSL also boasts a rich history in airfields and pavements research, which remains a priority today. Because airfields are critical in deploying our forces around the globe, our enemies realize this and often target critical assets by cratering runways to make them useless for our forces.
GSL remains committed to the warfighter by continuing to improve technologies and deliver faster, better, and cheaper force projection technologies to our soldiers. The GSL team's research in civil works and infrastructure assists in the protection of our levees and dams and supports the Department of Homeland Security. Further, research and analysis in the selection of cements and other materials, soil mechanics analysis, and 3D models and visualization software are all tools GSL researchers continue to perfect and are equipped to provide. GSL is proud of the work they do with the Bridge, Airfield, Rail, Dam, and Waterfront Assessment Program, which provides technical support and engineering expertise for Army transportation infrastructure.
Over the last 20 years, our expertise has provided specialized reachback support as subject matter experts by providing options and solutions to military and natural disaster operations. GSL's ingenuity, creativity, adaptability, and resiliency are qualities that have been a hallmark of its success for the past 2 decades. Our outstanding people, a robust portfolio, innovative products, state-of-the-art premier facilities, and a solid commitment to promote understanding have positioned the Geotechnical and Structures Laboratory to meet and exceed the military and civil works missions of our nation.
Happy 20th birthday, GSL. Congratulations. I was there when you were born. I'm just so proud of you for the last 20 years. You've accomplished so much in making the world safer and better. You know, we sort of came together as 2 different labs, and now you're one big, brilliant lab as part of the ERDIC. So thank you for everything. Congratulations. And I look forward to the next 20 years, all the great things you're going to do. Congratulations, GSL.
I'm so glad to be a part of the celebration of 20 years since GSL's formation. I've been outlawed from singing, so I'm not allowed to sing happy birthday to you, but way to go, GSL.
All right, so happy birthday, GSL. You guys have helped me out as a district commander, as a project engineer, as a resident engineer, so there's lots of stuff that GSL does that I get it. Happy birthday, take care, and be kind to women.
Happy birthday, GSL. I'm so very proud of all the things that we've accomplished for the last 20 years since we merged Geotechnical and Structures Lab together. You all been part of that. Made some fantastic progress for this country. I look forward to the next 20 years. Cheers. Happy birthday.